I wrote back and I said, yes, I understand your meeting is on the 6th, but is the meeting? You don't write it on the email. But why doesn't he, you tell me, is it in your house? And he doesn't reply. It's like, so weird, right? I mean, I can't get where it is. Yeah. Uh, oh, maybe he's having an affair. Still here. She decided to stay another month. It's draining me of funds, but it's okay. But yeah, you pull the money out, right? I said, grab my wallet. I said, if you need some change on you, I think he's going to take a 10, 20, 50.
Oh, George.
Oh.
Yeah, I like this. Yeah, George a herring.
Yeah.
He's getting his sardines.
I got a new pet. A Syrian hamster. Yeah. So he stays up all night all day because he's nocturnal. So in the pet shop that you kill. Yeah. Oh, he's black stripes. He's really pretty. No, because I was there, to get there. I haven't worked out. We're working on it.
Yeah.
Well, I want air to blow in the cage, right? Because it's a plastic cage. It only has a vent. So you don't want to cover it, and then I got my looking on Amazon today for you need for a hamster. Okay, run along. Oh, you don't have any more tickets. Yeah, no, they ran out, right? Yeah. Oh well, if I find any, I'll get us spoilers. All right. See. Bye. We're trying to get tickets for the affordable.
Yeah. You like animal? You're an animal man?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I've looked at the swans for 16 years. Yeah.
Yeah, you got some beautiful as well.
Hooks,
that's terrible.
All kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Rescues.
Yeah.
Rescued geese.
Mm.
I mean, I'm not scared of them, and they know it.
No.
Here come everyone who walk up to me and start to go like this, and I just throw a little bit of food down and he settles. He's all right.
Oh, if you got to trust them, that's it.
No,
they can sense.
Yeah.
I get out with dogs. Like I just seem to come to me and go bump, and I go. And other people are scared of them. I'm not. That's nice.
Look how
he just goes for it. Yeah.
It's gone.
And it's fast and on it.
They can eat on cygnets.
Yeah, that's what I don't like.
That's why we're trying to open him. Yeah. To be born tomorrow.
Yeah.
From that nest, right?
Well, I see some.
What's this in the?
I see some the other week here in Camden. Did geese go for them as well?
Oh,
because
magpies. crows go, everything goes.
I seen them, and the mum and dad was walking.
Herring gull of the west.
The mum were walking along them, and
Yeah.
I walked for miles, all the way to Little Venice. Followed
Really?
them, lovely, and there was about 5 of them. And then they go to bit where the geese was.
Yeah. I mean, she's got 10 eggs, right?
I've not seen it. So
In a week, you'll see about
Yeah.
6 left.
Yeah.
But I think they have 10.
Well, it's life.
Yeah.
It's life. You know, you don't like to see animals killing animals, but that's the way they survive.
Right.
And
Yeah.
we're the same. We're just animals.
I watch David Evans. I
Ah.
don't want to see it kill
No.
an elk.
Nah,
Because I've
distressing.
but I stand it. of
Yeah.
course. What's he supposed to do to eat? Budgeons?
Or die starving. Yeah, biscuits. Will you buy your biscuits? Well, I go to Aldi's because it's cheaper.
You're not local, are you?
I'm Kilburn. Yeah.
Oh, I went to the pet shop yesterday.
Yeah,
Or a
Jumanji's.
couple of days. I
The one
bought
down the bottom.
a hamster.
I heard you talking. I heard you saying. Yeah.
It's not bad, the little shop there, but
Yeah.
the guy's a bit surly. The young man that runs.
I've never been in it, honestly.
He looks like he hates people.
I've been in the one they had then. They had one in the high street before, and then they moved it into the shop west. But that's when they was there. So we're going back a long time ago.
Oh,
But I've never been in it. You know, my daughter has a dog. She's in Kilburn, and she goes in there sometimes. But myself personally,
I went in to
I don't
buy
have any
birds.
animals. Huh?
I went in to buy. I
You
came
go
out
with a
with a house.
hamster. Hamsters are nice. Birds, you know,
He stays up all night and sleeps late.
yeah.
He's bang, bang,
Bang,
bang,
bang,
kicking and
I
He's Syrian. He's
don't,
8
I
months
don't can you? Because that's routine. You know, that's his routine. His routine, what you're saying.
old. He's out today. Would you take one as a gift?
Yeah. I'll eat it later, but right,
Yeah,
okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
done it.
Yeah.
It's just that I bought game one. I thought, well, I don't know.
Just come for the cancer centre. Cancer centre every week, you know. The cancer, you know,
Oh,
cancer.
what's that one called?
Mag in the Royal Free.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I go there. I do the there, you know.
Nice.
I'm in what I'm doing. I'm actually enjoying it. You know. I just brought an artist. Yesterday I was talking to her. She wants to go into the music game.
I do art too, but I'm not like an artist. But
I'm not an
I
artist.
do act and
Yeah,
I
I
like
do
it.
that. I love it.
It's just blobs and
Yeah, I did it when I was 60.
acrylic or oil.
Acrylic. I did do a bit of oil, but I'm
You-
not keen.
You got them acrylic ones now in containers. You can,
Yeah,
and then
Yeah.
you can turn the
and turn
and
it
it
around.
goes. It makes so that you would know.
Well, the house I'm in now, I'm leaving in about 2 weeks, and I bought one of the rolls. You know the rolls of canvas you get? They go for miles and miles.
Yeah.
What I done, a kind of oven from top to bottom to put all my junk on,
Yeah.
and then I put the canvas on to roll it down. Now, the whole idea was to stick it to there and then leave painting on ladders and then just rip it up in bits to
Yeah.
send the bits. But I've never
Oh,
got
yeah.
to it.
You cut them up and
Yeah.
give a little present.
So I was just going to people. But what I music videos, starting to put them in music videos.
Your
So-
music.
No,
Oh,
I'm
okay.
just a guy. All sorts of weird stuff that other people don't,
Right.
and it's because
What kind you
I
in?
fancy. I'm
too?
yeah, I'm only
You're
young.
just man.
Yeah, I'm only a little boy.
I'm
Yeah.
older than you.
Yeah. If you ask me my age, I'll tell you 5.
Huh?
If you ask me my age, I'll tell you 5.
Oh,
Like, pardon? Because that's when I beat cancer. So, that's my... But my birth is 1960. It confuses you. You get somebody's that you'll never think.
I'm not
But yeah,
going to
that-
give you. You've had enough.
This
mate.
has been really good, boy. I've
It's done
enjoyed
well.
it. The picture's brilliant. Still doing it. I did a music video with